Hey Rachel, this is Amber. I spoke to Brittany last week and she gave me your information to go ahead and send over this really quick screencast to you. Really, what I'll be doing is just going over 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business. These are changes that you can actually make on your own to grow your business today. So I have your website pulled up here. And overall, I love the layout of your website. I love that you have a lot of visuals, a lot of photos. One area of opportunity for you would be the area of content. This is one thing that Google looks at when it comes to growing and scaling your business and your website. They generally like to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and then around 750 words on your back pages here. So that's definitely an opportunity for you. Again, that's a change you can make on your own. I have your top competitor pulled up here. It looks like their website is a little bit outdated. They do have a good amount of content. I don't think they're quite at that 1,000 mark though. So this is definitely an area where I don't think you would have any issue kind of beating them in and getting your website ranked higher in Google. Your second top competitor have theirs pulled up here. It looks like they also have a big photo here, and they do have a good amount of content, but again, I don't think they're quite at that 1,000 mark. So that's definitely an opportunity for you, just getting more words on your page, so Google can see that and recognize that and give your website an opportunity to get ranked in that #1 position. That leads me to my second area. Another thing Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website is what's called keywords. Now, what a keyword is, it's a highly searched word in Google. So it looks like you do have a few keywords here that you are ranked for. For instance, AC repair in Winter Haven, Florida. This is a general keyword. Looks like it gets about 50 searches per month. So this keyword is searched about 50 times a month. And you're in the 7th position. So that's definitely a good keyword we want to get you ranked high for, because again, that's potentially 50 clients that you could be missing out on. Another good general keyword is Winter Haven air conditioning. It looks like that gets 60 searches per month. You're in the 9th position in Google. So when someone Googles these 2 keywords, you show up in the 7th and or 9th position, and I believe that's on the 2nd page of Google. Let me see here. Another one, air conditioning, Winter Haven, Florida. Again, 20 searches, you're in the 9th position. So this is just an opportunity of growth for you. Getting that content on your front page and on your back pages, and within that content, getting these keywords in there to make sure you're, of course, getting ranked in the first position. Your top competitor here, I have their keywords pulled up. Looks like they're mainly ranked for the Lakeland area. They are ranked #1, however, for Winter Haven as well. So it looks like they're in the #1 position for a majority of the general keywords they're ranked for. And then your second top competitor here, they're ranked #1 for Lakeland air conditioning. Let me see. Don't believe they're ranked for Winter Haven. So that's just another area for you of growth to get you ranked for these keywords, and also looking into other locations as well, because of course the more you scale your business, the more locations you rank for, the more opportunity for more clients. So that's just the second thing I wanted to go over with you in regards to growing your business on your own. Another area I wanted to go over is in the area of backlinks. So what a backlink is it's when another website refers your website. No backlink is created equal. However, backlinks are very important when it comes to ranking your website. It's just as important to have good, credible backlinks referring back to your website. So it looks like you have a total of 4 backlinks. Your top competitor has a total of a little over 1,000, and then your second top competitor has around 23. So this is definitely an area of growth for you, just getting more backlinks and more websites referring back to your website. And then lastly, I wanted to go over citations with you. So what a citation is it's pretty much your name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet, whether that be in different directories or social media platforms. That's what a citation is. And the more citations, the better, because of course your website is getting out in the world. And your business is getting out there. So it looks like you have a total of 11 citations. Your top competitor has 44, and your second top competitor has 41. So there is definitely an opportunity of growth for you there. I would look at doubling, if not tripling, this amount just to make sure they have no opportunity to beat you in that area. So again, that was just 3 areas of opportunity. The first area was content, getting more words on your page, and ranking for keywords. The second area was backlinks, just getting more websites referring back to your website. And then lastly, citations as well. So those are just 3 major areas that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. I would love to touch base with you. If you want to email me back or give me a phone call, we can set a meeting to discuss. And if not, that's okay as well. I just wanted to provide you with this useful information. Anyways, I appreciate your time and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much.